Felix, you get this capsule on that plumbing job? Yes. On that drainage job? That really worked nice, didn't it? That job? The water was pouring out of there. Yeah. Good deal. Good deal. Julio, how'd you make out on your first stops? Good? And Felix, you got Nova all done? I'm gonna have you guys go down to Fairfax, a bunch of you, on Monday, and get that done. You guys, how many light strands you got left here, Julio? You're almost done here, right? Almost. Alrighty, gotta run to another job site. Just checking up on these guys, taking these holiday lights down for a client. They had, how many strands we have in this tree, Felix, when we did it back in November for this client? Well, we had 100? Approximately 100? It was a lot, I remember. Alrighty, I'll see you guys back to the office a little bit. Let's get out here and see what's going on out here in the classroom with these guys. See who's arrived and who's on his way. I know a bunch of guys are here out back loading up. Here the truck's idling. And we'll see what's going on. Okay, so you're working on the drainage quote?
Yes, sir. A French drain.
Okay, let's walk out here and see the guys. I know they're getting dispatched out to do snow. So you have a client you're working with in Annapolis area that needs some help with some drainage, has a drainage problem that you're going to solve.
Yes,
correct?
She's been dealing with the issue for 20 years now.
So she's been dealing with this with a wet yard?
Wet yard, wet driveway.
I gotcha. So how we want to solve it? You want to put a French drain in, any basins?
Well, we're going to replace one basin and then add 35 feet of a channel drain.
Okay. Okay. I would probably deduct for that probably like $1,500 out of the original quote. Okay. You remember where we originally were?
Yes, sir.
Right. So if you come down approximately $1,500, I think that would be fair. What's involved? So that would put you approximately 15K.
Yes, sir.
That sound good?
Sounds good.
I think that's fair. You want to get that quoted up and get it to her, then we can get it on the schedule here for this winter. You can get it done. She ready to have it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so once the weather changes back and the snow's gone, we can get it installed in probably 2 weeks then. I called Miss Utility and all.
Morning, Bob.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Feeling any better?
Yeah.
And let's get this guy on camera here. He must have got out on work release.
Twisted my ankle again.
Oh, is that why you're in pain?
This one, yeah.
I thought it was because of Irene chasing you.
No, walking.
That hurts. That's not even funny, man. When you twist like that, you know, that's worse than even breaking something. When you twist it.
And the second time, same ankle, same step.
Hey, bud, how are you? Ah. Jonathan, how you doing, buddy? Good morning, sir. Good to see you.
Thank you.
You guys lost? You look like you're lost. You look like you're looking for a snow mission.
Waiting for him.
Waiting on Jeff?
Yeah.
We're gonna do the back porch real quick.
Yeah.
March, show them. Show these boys how to get it done. We got a woman involved now. Julio, you guys good? We'll knock out that front porch real quick, then take off, you and Don? And you got Angel with you? Okay. Boys and girls are making quick use of this morning, getting this cleaned up and out of here. So Nordy's doing the first part of the route. Mm-hmm. Okay, so Nordy's doing this down to here, and Rudy's taking this down.
Okay. I'm going to take this
okay.
From here.
Edwin and you going together. You and your brother, and you got your helper, right? Good? Need a bag of ice milk here real quick. 2 trucks. Okay. Need a bag of ice milk here real quick. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.